Monsters, a poem for our time. Monsters exist. They hide in the churches, the belfry usually, and leap on you when you least expect it. Churches are such empty places, perfect for a crime. Monsters are real. They hide in armies, pinning medals on themselves. Even though they walk through the valley of the shadow of death, they see no evil. Hey, fight for peace. Isn't that an oxymoron, moron? Monsters are out there. They hide in Parliament, the Senate usually, twisting the law to get what they want, binding freedom in a straitjacket, taking the food out of children's mouths. Who can afford food anymore? Real food, not the ersatz stuff. Invisible monsters. They hide in the stock exchange like vampires, sucking up all the money, stealing people's homes, stealing people's lives. Witness the monsters. They herd discarded children into hell. How could you do that to a child? The children must suffer for their failure. Monsters are everywhere. They hide in the law courts. Justice? But he's one of us. Got to think about my private school fees. Get him off. He'll go and do it again, but hey, who cares? Monsters are real. They hide in families and schools, playing out their inadequacies in monstrous fashion. They hide on farms where no one sees them torture the animals. Monsters are everywhere. We are not all human. Some of us are monsters. And this is a little poem that I read to my Year 10 class in Australia. It's Roger McGough style, so hello Roger, apologies to you.